Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be like one of my favorite videos. It's gonna be one of my best videos. Also guys, at the beginning of this video right now, you're gonna see the link to my Instagram. It's the official. Please to go check my Instagram out. I have 100,000 subscribers thus far. 100,500 subscribers. And me I beg on if you go check out my Instagram, please and thanks. Yes. One more thing guys, I don't know why this thing keeps falling down on me, but yeah. Yeah, so guys, as I said to you, this is gonna be one of my favorite videos. I'm overly excited. I feel so blessed. I feel so spirit filled. I feel so enriched. I feel like God got my back 100%. Like, goody blessed. You understand? I'm blessed, and I know I'm blessed, and I feel blessed, and I look blessed, and I just feel so good. I'm here drinking some wine right now because I have things to celebrate, people. Like, do I have to tell you guys what I have to celebrate, by the way? Like, come on. It's no OBV. Isn't it OBV, guys? I'm not telling you yet. Think about it. I'm going to give you guys 2 seconds to think and tell me what it is that I'm talking about. Like, what's happening to me? What's going on? What am I so overly excited about? What am I being all chatty mouth about? Wagwan. Anyways, guys, my nails are done by Kareen Nails. Y'all need to go check them out. Kareen Nails. You bad. Goody bad. Goody bad. Goody come out from my hand. But tattoo them by the one and only my brother Shot Boss Cody West on Instagram. When you don't know the thing, go check him out too. Guys, my custom necklace. This one is new, by the way. This one is saying the official. It's kind of small. I don't know if you guys can see it. But as I said to you guys, I met somebody and I feel good, like he treating me right. Sis look good. Sister walk with comb and so yeah, cause every minute sister comb out her ear. Yeah. Because Cecile, wonderful. So anyways guys, let me tell, cause okay, I like it. It's supposed to go like that, like in my face. But then I kinda like it like this side. Cause like I had my lashes on, but I took my lashes off because I went to Kingston today and it was extremely hot, so I took my lashes off. Anyways guys, I'm gonna just broke the big news and tell you straightforward right now. Wagwan. Gal engaged. I'm engaged, sis. I'm engaged. People, I'm engaged. But guess what the thing now? I've been wearing my ring on every single finger because people fast bad. People fast bad. And like I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to say this, but y'all are so like enough, fast, and I just never really did ready for come out with my engagement thus yet. So that's the reason why it was a secret for a little bit, guys. But on this video, I'm going to reveal who my fiance is, and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about my wedding plans, about what is it that I'm gonna do, about where we're gonna keep the wedding and stuff like that, guys. So you gotta watch the video to the end to get all of that information. Yeah, that video is not about no mix up and them thing there. So the people that will rate me will stay, and the ones that don't rate me, they will go because they don't want to hear this, right? Only the good people, they want to hear it. Yeah. So yeah guys, as I said before, I'm engaged. I'm engaged to a wonderful guy. I'm engaged to a wonderful guy. He is like so important to me. I love him so much. I met him like a year ago, guys. I met this guy a year ago, and we've been going on so good. The relationship is so amazing. Like, he listens to me, he makes me feel comfortable, he tells me I'm pretty even when I think I'm not. You know, when I wake up in the morning, I can talk in his face, even though everybody knows. So when girl wake up at morning time, girl have morning breath, yeah, I can still talk in my husband's, well, sorry, my fiance's, I can still talk in my fiance's face because he loves me like that, guys. Like, I mean, he goes out on the road on a daily basis. If like, he knows I like chocolate, he knows I like fruits, and when he goes out, he makes sure to get me chocolates, he makes sure to get me fruits, He cleans up. He's not the type of nigga or boyfriend or whatever you call your man or your fiance that is gonna like throw down his stuff all over the place, don't clean it up, like leave dirty dishes in the sink. No, if I get up before him and I like go to the bathroom and I be like, oh babe, I'm brushing my teeth or whatever, and he wakes up after me, he makes sure that he spreads the bed, you know, he helps me clean, he cooks. He's just that amazing. His job is, oh my God, my fiance, he's financially stable and stuff like that. And then the problem, guys, that we were having too was the fact that my fiance always wanted me to, like, he always wanted to get me expensive stuff, you know, a lot of stuff, expensive stuff. Let me see if you guys can see the diamonds. Like, okay, when I see diamonds, I don't know when I see them. But anyways, my boyfriend gets me expensive stuff. This is Victoria's Secret. I'm telling you, like, I get the best things, but I didn't want to take anything from him because I don't want him to feel like because he's rich and he comes from a rich background that's like what I'm after, because it's not. I'm not a gold digger. Don't get it twisted. I love this man. I love this man so much. Me and him been talking for 1 year now, and nobody know about him. Our relationship been private. It's been like a secret, and we haven't told a lot of people that we're seeing each other. Not a lot of persons know that we're seeing each other, guys. But my fiance is just amazing. I love him so much. So I wanted to share him to the world. I want to reveal him to you guys. You know, I want you guys to know my fiance because we're getting married. So why not? I'm going to introduce him to the platform and we're going to start doing vlogs together. Yeah, so Unago can see and know who my fiance is in just a few minutes, guys. I'm going to show you guys who my fiance is. But oh, remember, you gotta watch the video to the end to meet my fiance. So watch to the end and you'll see my fiance. He told me he was on the road, he was heading home, and then I could show you guys him. So I'm calling him right now to see if he is home yet, but unfortunately he's not picking up. I think he's not home yet. I don't know. So as soon as I get my fiance, guys, you'll see him. But we initially planned for him to reveal himself at the end of this video, and we're not yet at the end of the video. So my wedding is set to be in August, guys. I'm doing my wedding on my daughter's birthday because her birthday is the 17th of August. So I want to do her, I want to do my wedding on the 17th of August. So you know that whenever I keep her birthday party or whatever, I can just use it as my anniversary too. We can just do one big thing and we don't have to be worried about, oh, okay, so we have a wedding to plan. We have an anniversary. We have, you know, everything. So we're just going to do one thing, one time. So my daughter's birthday is going to be my wedding day, guys. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. What I want to do is I don't want to do like a wedding too big. I want to do like something very unique, you know, something so nice and cozy and not too big, but I want it to be that you guys can watch. So I think I want to do a live stream of my wedding so that you guys can see the whole thing when it's happening. I don't know yet, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section. If you guys want to be a part of my wedding, comment in the comment section. I want to be a part of your wedding, and I will do a live stream of my wedding, guys. So yes, I'm engaged and I'm happy. I'm super happy. Like, I've never been this happy in a long time. This man makes me feel so proud of myself. He makes me feel, I don't know, he makes me crazy. I swear to God, this nigga makes me crazy. But yeah, guys, like, sorry, as I said before, I'm gonna also reveal who my fiance is at the end of the video. I don't know why he's not answering his phone, but he's gonna have to tell me why he ain't answering the call after this is done. I don't know what's wrong with him. But yeah, guys, so and I told him, like, he wanted to do something big, you know, because he has a lot of friends and he says that I have a lot of friends, and because I'm like famous or whatever, he wants like a lot of people. Like, he wanted to put it out so that you guys could get a chance to come to my wedding, but we are not planning to make it too big, you know, too many persons. I told him I wanted like 300 people. He wants like 600 because he knows a lot of person. I know a lot of people, and he's thinking that we should just do it big and done. But I feel like I need to, like, you know, have this time for myself. I need the privacy and stuff like that. So I don't get it. Like, I don't know. And guys, I'm still like considering between two colors because I love purple. Purple is my favorite color. I love this purple so bad. I love this purple. And I'm telling my fiance that I wanted purple, you know. I want purple and he likes yellow. So we're planning to do purple and yellow. And I'm still kind of conscious about the colors because I know purple is cute and yellow is cute too. But purple and yellow together, I've never seen before. So my wedding is gonna be unusual. Like, yeah, una go wonder what them have on. Jesus, una want some bridesmaid them dress, people. My bridesmaid them dress are the best. My bridesmaid them dress nice. When I say my bridesmaid them dress nice, I mean my bridesmaid them dress nice. Like really, 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 really nice. You understand? But guys, I'm gonna be doing a reveal of that too, because whenever I have everybody gathered and stuff like that, I'm gonna do that too for a reveal and stuff like that. So I don't know how the thing go, guys. Yeah, so I don't know like I don't know how I'm gonna do it, because my fiance wants to include y'all. I want to include y'all too. I really love you guys, so I want to include you guys too. But I just feel like 600 people is too much, you know. 600 people is too much for it's my wedding day, you know. I want privacy. I want to be safe. I want to feel comfortable. I want to feel like we're gonna, you know, yeah, I want to feel that type of way. So I don't know. But yeah, guys, so in the comment section, you can tell me how you feel about it. Tell me, like, you know, wanna think if I should do the live stream where every single body on here will be able to be at the wedding, you know, watch and everything, or I should do the other one where not everybody will come, but everybody will okay, sorry, I'm stuttering, sorry. I was saying I want to do a live stream on my wedding day where every single body will I want to do a live stream on my wedding day where everybody can see what's going on, or I want to do like give out a few invitations. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do to do that part though, like give out invitations and stuff. So guys, tell me if y'all think pink and hey, what's up, wagwan? So I'm telling everybody here, I'm on my live. I'm doing a video for my YouTube right now, and y'all hear me? Okay, so I'm telling everybody right now, so you're on the air. I'm letting them know that you're one of my bridesmaids for my wedding in August on the 17th and stuff. So I'm just here telling them that I'm still wondering if I should send out some invitations for them have like 600 people, or if we should just keep it simple and do a live stream. So I want to know what you think, because remember, we're still planning and stuff. This is my maid of honor, guys. So we're still planning. Like, so what you think? Because I'm revealing to everybody I'm engaged. So yeah, we're breaking the news right now. What you think?
I think you should do a live stream and go private.
Alright, guys. So I think we're gonna do the live stream and go private, guys. So as I said at the end of this video, you guys are gonna meet my fiance, because I'm gonna call him and you guys are gonna meet my fiance. So don't go nowhere, just watch till the video end. Ariana, why you eat so much sweetie, brother? Alright, babe, I'm gonna call you back just now. You hear? Hi. Mwah. Love you. Hurry. This one there, eat on your place. Yeah, guys, so that's my maid of honor right there, guys. As I said, the wedding is going to be on the 17th of August. And we're using purple and yellow for the colors. Oh, my God, I feel so good right now. Yeah, guys. And my fiance, them. I don't know, because guess what? It's a prank. I'm not getting married. I don't have no fiance. It's a prank. Mr. Samai, me think you never say, you never tell me me you're maid of honor. You fool. Ari, tap it. Give me tap it too much chocolate. Hold this. Let me talk to you.
One talk to Aisha.
Oi. No, go on with your business. At me there, I saw a fake one engagement. Goodbye. Anyways, guys, my ring is a fake. It's for like $300. I don't even remember how much it's for. It's fake. I hope you guys enjoyed me lying to you guys. You know, a lot of persons probably feel like crap after watching it to the end. Me know someone upset when I want to fight me, don't it? Me know I don't want to lick me on my back. But thank you guys for watching this video. I love you. Oh, and please remember, my wedding is going to be on the 17th of August. Be there, okay, guys? Bye.